Kaeser Compressor, ASD Series. Introducing Rotary Screw Compressors, ASD Series with the world-renowned Sigma profile flow rate of 0.89 to 6.39 cubic meters per minute. The pressure of 5.5 to 15 bar Kaeser compressor pushes the boundaries of compressed air efficiency once again with its latest generation of ASD.4 series rotary screw compressors. Maximum energy efficiency throughout the control range, durable and service-friendly drive, advanced drive technology, minimal operating costs, high productivity and availability, Industry 4.0 ready, entire system KMCe certified, technical specifications. ASD Series. Uncompromising efficiency, saving energy with the Sigma profile. Sigma Control 2, assured efficiency, tomorrow's technology. Today, IE4 motors require temperature assured ASD Series. Premium compressed air quality with an add-on refrigeration dryer. Energy saving control, dependable Kaeser centrifugal separator, refrigeration dryer with eco drain. Minimal refrigerant requirement, heat recovery system, cost-effective heating. Heat recovery simply makes sense. Space heating with warm exhaust air, process heating, and service water, clean hot water.